Okay, here we are. Been working today on the painting, and I just had to go ahead and start painting it. So anyway, show you what we've done so far. Here's the painting. I've painted on the 2K primer on this front clip. You can see, and I think it come out pretty good. This is not a concourse restoration, but I'm just trying to get it as good as I can while I got it open. And yeah, you can see got all this painted, okay, and painted all this. And these shock towers are in pretty good shape. There's no cracks or anything in them. So, and then of course I came back, put the seam sealer. There's some seam sealer around the shock tower and in this area. Put some in there. Okay, some around here, some around there. And here's the engine. I painted the engine. Okay. We should be able to paint the chassis black in here and the engine, I believe, by the end of the day. It's going on about 1 o'clock now, so I should be able to finish this thing up today. So it'll be painted, and the next step will be putting the front end back underneath it. Put the front end back underneath it, all the new parts. It is a 6-cylinder. It is a convertible, so these are collectible. And I found out that I was looking for these pulleys, and this car had some options on it that usually don't have, because it had the power steering, and we had air conditioning on this car. And that was a couple of options that, you know, it was that they optioned on the car. So this is a rare car. Okay, all right, but anyway, okay, I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll show you the rest whenever we get through painting.